Today, I'll show you how to easily reball the signal points on the iPhone 14 logic board. So let's get started. First, we will separate the two layers of the logic board. Then, we will place the signal board in the holder and remove the solder from the points. After it's properly cleaned, we will place a stencil on a logic board of the same model. Then, we will fill the points with soldering paste. After filling, we will use a hot air gun to apply airflow and form the balls. That's it! The reballing is done very easily. Now we will join the two layers together. Thanks for watching.